Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro dollar monthly, I'm still very bullish, even though we have been going down pretty much all year so far. I still think this is going to end up continuing the uptrend, making a 3, a 4, and a 5. I still think it's going to go up and take out these highs and eventually end up looking something like that. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame definitely still going down pretty strong, as you can see. I actually think that we already have the end of a wave two. I think this is an expanding flat wave two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of one, one of three. I think this right here is a two of three, and I think eventually this is going to end the two of three and go up and make a three, a four, and a five, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last push up, which to me is very clearly 5 waves to the upside. I do believe that this push down right here is very likely to be a wave two, like I was showing on the weekly. This is a wave one. We are approaching the 61% Fibonacci retracement, which is definitely a very likely area to see a bounce. So if we see like a double bottom right here, like a 3, 4, 5 shape with a break of structure, that's what's going to help prove to me that the correction really is over, that we really are back into an uptrend for a wave three. But you definitely want to be cautious because it could easily go down to the 78% before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So, taking that into consideration, heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I definitely am still looking for shorts. We're not making a Fibonacci bounce. We definitely don't have a higher low. We definitely don't have a break of structure. I for sure am still looking for shorts. I do think this 61% is probably going to be an area of support, so maybe we will get a bigger bounce there. But I still wouldn't just go long just because it made a bounce at that fib level. It possibly, and maybe even more probably, is going to make another ABC correction and another continuation of the downtrend. We need to at least see that 3, 4, 5 shape and then a break of structure to the upside to believe that this really is the end of an ABC correction. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we've had some really nice shorting opportunities. Yesterday we had a perfect ABC, and then first thing this morning we had another perfect ABC correction. I don't even think this is over. I think it's probably more likely to drift down towards the 61.8. Then if we make a big bounce there with a break of structure, you could possibly, if you trade below the 1 hour time frame, be looking for longs at that point. And I would still be cautious though, because there's a very good likelihood that it's just going to make another ABC correction and another continuation of the downtrend. So until the higher time frames, like the 4 hour daily time frame and up, give me a reason to think that this correction, which I believe is a wave two on the higher time frames, is over. I personally am primarily looking for shorts in a downtrend at the end of pullbacks. If you do get an impulsive up with a break of structure, you could definitely be scalping to the long side at that point. But I would definitely do it cautiously because I think there's a good chance the trend could keep on trending to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.